Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the paintball guns. So let's start up. We're going to start with this one because it's silver. I'm gonna move this one. See, there's a paintball assemble. You need to put it together, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna try to build it. It takes so long to put it on the portal barrel. And when it's stuck, that means it's already in. So there's the portal barrel, and this one is the, you can say like that. And if you pull it all the way back, you could shoot. And better do not break it, because this one breaks a bit. So do not repeatedly do like that while it's so fast. So this is the centipede, and this one is for in here. So I cannot put it on because it's too heavy. And you can see hawks right over here. This one is a bit broken. So yeah, there's the silver paintball gun, and you cannot put it back because the portal barrel takes too long. Oh yeah, put the manual there too. So let's put this in my bed. Time for this one. You can see its skulls. Yeah. So let's open this one. Where's this thing there? And this is the skull. See, you could put stickers on it, like this. Okay. So it's just like the same, but it has skulls in it. This is the same portal barrel. This is not the same thing because the portal barrel takes too long in here again, but in here is different. So I first put this one on. It's on now. This one is a little different because it's not like flat like there. Is like there's a button on top, and this one is almost broken because you can see in here it's almost broken. And you can see these, you could do like that for handle or not, because I don't know why they put these. And this one too is different. On the silver, is a straight line. But in here, like vertical. And this one's different too. It's black. So yeah. Is the push safe? I don't know why they put that. And if I pull it, I think it's different. Yeah. It's more differenter. Like, look at the noise. Hear it. It's different. So that's for all. Who do you want? This, the silver one, or this? What do you like? Comment down below. Comment down below and like and subscribe. So I'll vote. So I will vote this or this to fight with my brother right there. So thanks for watching. Bye.